Have you ever thought about growing your own edible flowers? They're a delightful addition to your culinary repertoire, adding unique flavors and colors. Popular choices include tasteful nasturtiums, vibrant violets, and majestic marigolds. Growing edible flowers is not only easy but also a delightful experience. Let's dive into how you can do it. First things first, you need to choose the right flowers to grow. The key here is to pick flowers that are not only visually appealing but also safe for consumption. Some favorites include vibrant nasturtiums with their peppery kick, delicate pansies, offering a mild and fresh flavor, and aromatic lavender, perfect for sweet dishes. Remember, organic gardening is crucial. Avoiding toxic pesticides ensures your edible flowers are as healthy as they are delicious. Now that you've chosen your flowers, it's time to get your hands dirty. Planting the seeds is the next crucial step. Start by picking the right soil, one that's nutrient-rich and has good drainage. Next, consider the planting depth. This differs for each flower type, but a general rule of thumb is to plant the seed 3 times as deep as its width. Finally, establish a consistent watering schedule. Over or under watering can hinder growth, so pay close attention to the moisture levels in the soil. With your seeds well planted, it's now a waiting game. While you wait for your flowers to bloom, they will need some tender, loving care. Regular watering is crucial to keep your plants hydrated, but remember, overwatering can be just as harmful. Weeding is another important task. Unwanted plants can steal your flowers' vital nutrients, so keep your garden weed-free. Also, keep an eye out for pests. They're sneaky, but you can control them with organic methods or safe pesticides. With these care tips, your flowers will be ready to bloom in no time. Once your flowers bloom, it's time to enjoy the fruits of your labor. Harvest in the cool of the morning, storing them gently in a cool box. Unleash their culinary potential, sprinkling on salads or decorating cakes. With this guide, you're well on your way to enjoying your very own edible flowers. Like, subscribe, and let's cultivate culinary delights together.